Meaning of Flag Day.
Flag Day.
Flag Day.
Flag Day.
Flag Day. Flag Day is a holiday celebrated in the United States on June 14th. It commemorates the adoption of the flag of the United States, which happened on that date in 1777 by resolution of the Second Continental Congress. The holiday is not a federal holiday and many people are not familiar with it. However, it is still an important day for showing patriotism and respect for the American flag. On Flag Day, Americans may display the flag at their homes or attend parades or other events to honor the flag and the country it represents.